You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the inbox review of the MPM Fokker G1 in 1/72 scale. So, the Fokker G1 by MPM from Czech Republic. Now, this is a very rare kit indeed. It was released somewhere in the mid-90s or early 90s, I believe, and it's a short run injection kit, so there's not many of them, and nowadays they are very hard to find, and if you can find them, they're usually very expensive. I've seen these go for over 60 euros, which is a bit steep. At the time when I bought it, it was still in guilders, but since no one knows guilders anymore, it was about the equivalent of, say, 17 euros. So you can see it's become very rare, very expensive, which is a shame because look at this plane. It's beautiful. It's yeah. I'm not just saying because it's a Fokker G1 and I'm Dutch and blah 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 blah. It's so beautiful, but it gets neglected in favor of the zillionth Spitfire or Messerschmitt 109 release. And, well, it's a very rare kit, but I still want to show you what it looks like inside the box. Okay, I just got everything into frame, and well, let's go to the sprues separately. So, move this first. Well, the main parts. Well, it's a short run kit, so the detail is okay. There's a lot of flash, a lot of cleaning up that's needed. But the detail itself isn't that bad. Looks okay. The propellers are unfortunately a bit coarse, but the main parts like the tailplane and everything look okay. There's a cockpit in there at least, so that's good. But, well, some parts look a bit coarse. There's also a version that includes like resin replacements. Unfortunately, I don't have these resin replacements for the engines and other parts. But you might want to replace that with aftermarket parts. The main wings and the tail booms, twin tail booms. Yeah, very nice, subtle detail, but really everything of a short run kit, so it's all very simply made. And you have to have quite some experience and skill to build one of these. Usually short run kits aren't the easiest kits to build. Okay, and so here we have the central nacelle, fuselage if you will. Injection molded transparent parts. Very nice. There's some flash, but it looks good. I remember the old rare plane vac form kit, and it had these thick acetate parts, and they were horrid to assemble. But this looks much better. This looks much more doable. Here are some photo etch detail parts for the instrument panels, seat belts. I see some wheel detail, engine detail parts. Even can make out some gun side parts. Ooh, very nice. Photo etch parts. And on the other side, the decals. Nice decals, but unfortunately they only offer either the German captured version or the pre-war Dutch roundels, but not the markings of the operational G1s in 1940. So what I did is I bought an aftermarket set from Kora Decals, which has the orange triangles from the mobilization period, also with the goose marking, the goose with a knot in its neck. And of course there's the building instructions, a sprue map, always handy. Now if you look at this cockpit section looks a bit more complicated than your standard kit, and also this being a short run kit, it will take some fitting and test fitting and trying to get everything right. So this is not for the faint-hearted and the inexperienced modeler. The rest of the construction is much easier. The undercarriage. I don't have the resin replacement parts for the engines, but maybe I'll look for some aftermarket parts, or maybe I'll strip them of another kit, I don't know. Will probably be some time before I'll start building one. This one. The camouflage markings, the German version. So, well, there you have it. That's it. This very, very rare Fokker G1 from MPM. Thank you for your time, and until the next video.